In this tutorial, we will be learning about App Store. App Store is the location from where most of the Mac can get the applications for the system. To open up App Store, go to Finder, Applications, and you'll find the App Store over here. Most of the people have also got the App Store in their dock. App Store requires internet connection to connect, and it will enlist all the available applications for your Mac. As you can see, all the applications are enlisted over here. It depends upon the Mac version you're running. I'm running on Mac Lion, so it says Mac OS X Mountain Lion download today. And it also depends upon the country you belong from, because as you can see, the currency is in rupees, which depends upon your country. So as you can see, all the applications are enlisted over here. You can navigate through them. It's very easy. This is what's hot. Most of the applications are paid. Some of them are free as well. You can download them. Second is top charts, where all the top applications are given, just like this. OS X Mountain Lion, which have this 1100 rupees. The Keynote 1100 rupees. The Disk Doctor 110 rupees. FaceTime 55 rupees, etc. Then the categories of applications are enlisted: business, developer tools, education, entertainment, finance, games, graphics, and a whole list of categories are given from which you can select applications. Then the purchases. All your purchases are given here. For that, you must sign in, and in the end there are updates. For now, remember that from App Store you can download applications and pay for them as you want to. So this was the tutorial upon App Store. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.